deal in proper herbs, I swear. Try them yourself, you'll see the truth.
You're coming with me for cultivating illegal herbs.
Are you going to keep hitting me? Do you know how much time and care I've poured into those herbs?